Have you heard of the Neville Goddard SATS technique, but don't know where to start? Don't worry, I have your back. SATS Neville Goddard sleep technique is a manifestation technique that states that in order to manifest our desire, we must reprogram our subconscious mind for that particular outcome or circumstance. And what better time to reprogram your subconscious than in the evening, just before you go to bed? By the time we enter the dream state each night, the chatter or noise disappears from our conscious mind, and this gives us direct access to our subconscious. In these moments, we can effectively impress our subconscious for any desire or belief, and therefore that desire will also manifest more quickly in physical reality. Now let's look at how to enter SATS. Step 1. Choose a specific goal or desire that you wish to manifest. This step is crucial because without clarity about what you want, you cannot manifest anything. There may be hundreds of things you wish to manifest, but I suggest that you focus on just one for a few weeks and let the magic of SATS amaze you. Step 2. Think about the feelings you would feel if this goal or desire were to come true. Neville Goddard says that feelings are the secret behind every manifestation. So if you can't feel the feelings of your desire in advance, you can't manifest it. This step is very simple, and don't worry, your feelings will become clearer by the day. For now, just think about the happy, good, warm feeling you would feel in your heart and belly if your wish came true. Step 3. Lay in bed at night and totally relax. At night, after you have completed all your daily tasks, it is time to go to bed and get into a relaxed state. Lie on your bed in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths in your stomach. Keep breathing deeply until you begin to feel a sense of stillness that envelops your entire being. The secret to knowing if you are truly relaxed is to check whether or not your monkey mind has stopped talking nonsense. When your monkey mind relaxes, that's the best time to start the SATS technique. Step 4. Mention the feelings of your wish fulfilled. Remember, in step 2 above, I asked you to think about the feelings you would feel if your wish became a reality. Well, now comes the actual application of this exercise. In a totally relaxed state, begin to bring the same feeling of fulfillment of your desire. Or make a little scenario of your future when you live your life with wish fulfilled. The scene, and bring up as many high emotions as possible related to your desire. Step 5. Go to sleep in this state. Now hold that happy, exalted feeling and go to sleep in that state. Congratulations! You have successfully completed your first SATS day. Well, you may be wondering how long it takes for SATS to show results. Better, select one wish, goal for each SATS. Realize how you will feel when this goal is achieved. Practice this feeling every night before you go to sleep. Sleep as if your wish is already fulfilled. Repeat this process every night for 21 days straight. After 21 days, you can move on to another goal and repeat the entire process for it. Also, 21 days is not a magical number that you have to stick to. I mentioned it because repetition helps in reprogramming our subconscious mind. You can do it as per your convenience. That's it, folks. Did you enjoy learning about the Neville Goddard SATS technique? I enjoy wearing it every night and then watching my desires manifest effortlessly. Try it from tonight and you will be surprised by what you discover. So, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel. Happy manifesting!